Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we have another install video we'll be doing for you guys tonight. And one of the things that this unit didn't come with was any mirrors. Okay, so we need a rear view mirror. This is going to be a real easy install, but we decided to pick up a different kind of rear view mirror, and it's a mirror with an LED light on the bottom of it. So this is going to light up your whole interior. So we thought this was a pretty cool video to do. It also comes with a rocker switch. And then we're going to go ahead and hook this up to the bus bar. And then it's a 13-inch UTV rear view mirror with an integrated interior LED light. So we picked this up, and this is what we're going to be doing tonight. We figured we'd share it with you guys. Some of you guys might be interested in this, and we'll go from there. So we'll go ahead and get everything set up. We'll show you how to install this UTV rear view mirror. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hook up this bracket in the back here. It's pretty simple. So you got your rubber grommet here, you got your Allen screw, and then you got your screw right here that's going to go up through the mirror. So you're just going to feed it up through like this. Just let it sit there for now. And you're going to feed in your rubber grommet. And then this, you're just going to screw on. And they send you all the tools to install it, so that's pretty cool. So you're just going to tighten this all the way up till you get some pressure on it, and then you can adjust it when you get it back on the unit itself. So you guys can see it's kind of tight right now. So we'll tighten that up later once we adjust it. So right now it's kind of loose. And then you're just going to put this nut on right here. And put your washer on there. And then you're going to put your bracket on. Your washer, locking nut, and then your top of the nut right here, your cap. And then you're just going to tighten that all up, and then you're going to install it onto the unit itself with these screws supplied. They're just going to go in there like that, and that's what's going to hook up to your unit in there. And then we'll show you how to run these wires. Alright, so we got this all mounted here. Everything looks good there. And I think how we're going to do it, we're just going to run the wire this way. And then we're going to run it down this post here, like that. And then we're going to go through this little hole right here. Now if you have, now on this Ranger here, this is the 570. If you have the 1000 or XP 1000, there's a hole up here. And you can actually feed the line inside this pillar right here, and then it goes through down at the bottom, comes out the bottom. You guys can do that. But this is the 570. This is all solid right here. So we're just gonna go down the side of it right here, like this, and then go through the dash right here where there's a little gap right here. And then we took off the switch, wrote everything down where everything goes, and we're gonna feed all this wire into here so that we can hook it up to the pulse bar. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, so we got this all wired up. We wanted to show you how we did it. And basically, I picked up some wire ties that have the 3M adhesive on the back. And what I did is I just put them there, and here. And then I picked up this wire molding with self-adhesives on the back, so that it wasn't, all the wire wasn't flapping around here. And you can see, I just stuck that on there, and the wire went through like that. This just opens up like that. So in the future, if we want to put more stuff going this way, we can put more wires in there. And then we went through the dash, and then we came out here. So as you can see, wire came down through here, all the way through here, and then we came right out here, zip tied it right there, plugged it into our post bar, and that was it. Pretty simple job, didn't take too long. We'll go ahead and let's see what it looks like. I think what we'll do is we'll turn it on first. Oh, and then we cut out this hole right here, and then this is just going to go right back in here like that. Okay, but let's see. Wow, that is bright. That is really bright. Let me shut the lights off. You guys can see the difference. Go to the front, Mikey. Wow, look at that. This lights up the whole interior is lit up. Look at that. Wow, big difference. Really like it. And it's a big mirror. You guys can see. Come on over here, Maggie. You can show them how big this mirror is. It's a 13-inch. So you can really see the whole back. So when you're backing up, you're not going to have any more issues. And I like it. Not too bad. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description of the video. And it wasn't too expensive. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put everything in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video here. If you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, we appreciate it if you'd subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Also follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and comment and share down below and let me know what you guys think. With that said, see you on the next one.